So, Nick, I don't think there's a clear path for that because again, I think that when you really break it down, AI will advance a lot further than robotics, a lot quicker than robotics. So I hope that's not discouraging to you. And I'll get off my soapbox now because I probably didn't intend to go in that direction, but I would say that don't be quick to tie AI and robotics. They're really not nearly as joined as all the nonsense on Twitter will make you believe, because they're really not. I think all these companies are basically stealing from the venture capitalists because they're developing robots that we know aren't going to be used, right? That at core aren't going to be used. They make for great videos and they get 1 million views, but what I do when I see those views, I always say, show me the hands. What does the wrist look like? Because that is the sign of the advancement. I want to invest in the robotics companies that are advancing the wrist, because those are the companies that are going to win. All these other companies out there now, it's vaporware. It's not going to end up anywhere. All right, so that's enough on that answer. I hope that helps you, Nick.